Yep, can I
Yep.
tie a French jig nymph? Just going to put on cotton base.
What size hook?
That's the size 10 with a 4.6 tungsten bead on, slotted. So we're going to put the slot down. Just going to tie on a bit of lead. So we're going to just build a bit of a ramp, just give us a bit of shape in our fly. So we've got two pieces side by side. Going to go over the top. Just run the third one down, 3/4 of the way down. Just gives us a ramp and a bit of shape to our fly. And then we're just going to cover that lead up. Now we'll tie on our tail. Just going to make sure measure that right. Change hands. Just clip that down.
What are we using for the tail?
We're using teal because I haven't got Coq de Leon. So it's the poor man's Coq de Leon. That's what we're using. Just clip that spare out of there. Tie that down. Just building our. This is our nice hotspot. Just come forward. We'll tie on our ribbing. Just a bit of red wire, just a small red wire. Just going to come back to the tail of our hotspot. Tie that down. Just clip that thread off. Then we're going to change threads to black. That's what we're going to build our body with. So clip this out now. And we're just going to come back to the end of our wire, leaving our hotspot showing, and just build a black body. Making sure that it's covered on the far side, and we're just going to come forward with our rib, just spacing it as nice and evenly as we can, and our wire failed. Can have the odd accident, so we shall just clip that off now, tie that down, then we just epoxy our body, just give it make it a bit more hard wearing and give it a bit of sheen. We'll just set that with the UV light. Just come forward. I'll just tie this off once. And we'll just bring this up. We're just going to put a collar on. CDC collar, just to add a bit of movement to the fly. Just give it a bit of life, but not enough to slow down the sink rate. So we'll just tie this in at the top here. And we'll just wrap this round a couple of times. And we'll just tie that off. And we can fold this back, tie that down, Just clip off our stalk. Couple more loops on there. Just half inch it down. Bit of glue in there to fasten that thread. Clip our thread off and our fly is done. Thanks for watching Rod and Reel, a fly tied French jig nymph. I hope you enjoy.